Good morning from Bon Air. It's my birthday, and I've been looking for the well that supplies water about a month. And neighbor buddy of mine, Steve, said, I think it's over there by Miss Carolyn's property. So I came in the middle of this bamboo forest, and sure enough, this is definitely the well. In the midst of the bamboo forest, that would be the southeast corner of the property. Here is the well. Now I was able to lift up this lid. Half of the lid's got a hinge on it, which is about 4 by 6, and it weighs a ton. And the well goes way down, and it's just water. And you see a pipe, and here is another part of it, but it goes to a big cement holding tank. I think they said it's spring-fed well, but yeah, it's pretty huge. And there is the power cord. I went to the old well next to the cottage, and all I saw was a pressure tank. But the well that was there had been abandoned a long time ago. But I saw wire and pipes heading somewhere, and they were headed in this direction. But this is a long way away from even the cottage. The cottage, I'll show you, is way over there. There's a horse barn. See, the well was back behind those trees. The old well, but it has a pressure tank in it, was right there behind those trees. Now the main house, if this feeds the main house water, I mean, I'd be shocked. You can't even see the main house from here. I mean, it's hundreds of yards away. You'd have to have a really powerful pump, I'm thinking. Let's see if we can see the main house from here. Climbing up the hill next to the barn. Nope, can't even see it. But you can see my beautiful mowing job. Time to go back and get to work. So the well was behind that grove of bamboo right over there in the very corner. And it goes all the way up behind those trees, and then supposedly over the hill through the woods to grandmother's house we go to the main house. Kind of crazy, but whatever. Now, I have never been in this barn. I don't know what's going to greet me. Well, I know it won't be horses, but let's see if I can get this gate open. You can tell it's a horse gate. Why? Look at all the rails close together at the bottom. A friend told me that's how you can determine it's a horse gate, because the horses can't put their necks through there and get caught. Whoa! Guess what? The horse gate just falls down. A little rusty. Let's go explore another new area. Okay, looks like poured concrete walls. I'm not thinking it's got electricity, but hey, I wouldn't be surprised. Here's some cool barn doors. Who knows where they went? Better get this roof fixed before we lose this barn too. Watering trough maybe? Oh, look at that. The Whittle barn doors that are locked from the outside. So for the horses to put their heads through. So it looks like it was 1, 2, 3, 4 stables at one time. But I don't think it's been used in a while. Previous owner may have used it for cattle. Yeah, I mean, it's not totally old. Look, you got a surge protector. What's that, maybe 20 years old? Plywood, keep the walls from caving in. Some old stuff. Every barn needs a chandelier, definitely. If I was a horse, I would want a chandelier in my barn. This one opens. Nah, they're all locked from the outside. I guess so you could say hi to Mr. Horse. Oh, those are cool. If anybody knows what these things are, let me know in the comments section. Hole in the roof I gotta fix. More to do, more to do. Oh, and this is a converted fence into a stall divider. Looks like that was used for like pigs or something, maybe. Kind of a cool old barn. Yet another thing to fix and to clean up. But I wanted to come out here to see what was in the barn. And we have tires and tires and tires and tires, oh my. And tires and tires and tires. If you need an old spare tire, hit me up. Let's see. Looks like maybe that was for a sailboat at one time. Let's see if the doors are locked from the outside. Oh yeah, look. Hello, horsey. My name is Mr. Ed. So Mary Hall, if you're watching, yes, it does have a rundown stable, a barn for horses. Alrighty, but we haven't moved in yet. And we have to keep on the house so we can move in and not drive almost 3 hours every single day. I was talking to Lori about this find the other day. See how it comes around from the barn? What's that look like to you? I don't know, but to me it looks like a loading dock, which is convenient. I don't know what you would unload, but yeah, loading dock. And then we have the barn over here. Do I dare go through all of this stuff into this barn that fell down? I don't have my tall boots on. I did mow some of this, but I kind of wanted to see. It's a shame this barn fell down. Some diagonal bracing could have prevented that. Some irrigation line. But if we look, there's all kinds of windows and windows and windows. Oh my. Yep. It was 10 on that side. Yeah, the birds don't like me being in their area. What else can we find? A bathtub. Yep. Oh, 2 bathtubs. It's a his and hers bathtub. Because I want to take a bath out here. It's 34 degrees this morning. what do we have in there? What kind of goodies? We have, God forbid, that you walk in there and risk the rest of it coming down. There's all kinds of railings from the past. It could have been from the porch, a porch, a roller. Look at the size of that saw blade. And some doors, and doors, and doors. What else? An auger. It looks like there's a jigsaw there at one time before it rusted to oblivion. Let's see. Drive shaft. Well, this is one of those, yeah, I'll get to it one day. And four old camp stoves. Because one is not enough. Chainsaw in the trash can. Okay, well, I'd wanted to come out here. Now, I've been out here. Now to find the way back to the truck. But over here, hold on, I'm finding something new. Finding something new. It is a chassis. A wagon chassis of some sort. And more tires. If anybody knows how to get rid of tires, I know they charge you when you change your tires at the tire station. They hit you up for about $6 a tire. Good Lord, I don't want to pay $6 a tire for all these tires I'm finding. And I don't want to do tire art. That would be the ultimate redneck advocation. Here, I painted my tire pink. You want this tire? It's a pretty tire. I'm gonna make a smiley face out of it. Nah. Not my thing. If that's your thing, okay. And we have a smart stick. Oh, yeah, it's for finding stuff. See? For finding pipes and stuff. Let's take our smart stick back to the truck. Oh yeah, I also found this in one of the barns. Now let's see if I can get up the hill. Four-wheel drive definitely is needed to get up here. Does everybody want to see if I can get up the hill? Amidst all these briars and brambles and things, oh my. Which way should we go, people? Let's go up the steepest incline. Why? Just because we can. If we can't, then I'm gonna have to get the tractor to pull me up. Look. We did it. We did it. And that's our adventure for the day.